and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics ZEB-LOVELY 4.1 speaker. There is an image of the speaker system, the 4.1 speaker system. There is one subwoofer and 4 satellites. This comes with USB connectivity, FM radio, and also aux connectivity. It's also mountable on a wall. Do we have any more information over here? Alright. So the total wattage is 60, that's 20 from the subwoofer and 10 from each of the satellites, so it's a total of 60. And frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, that's pretty standard. Anything else? It supports Bluetooth 5.2, we will see that, we will take a look at that. Net weight of this particular speaker system is 3.8 kilograms, that's great. And over here we have a package contained. There is one subwoofer, 4 satellites, 1 remote control, 1 user manual and 1 input cable. Now let's open this box and show you the contents inside. Let's quickly show you what's in here. This packet has general instructions. There you go. This is basically the user manual for the Zebronics ZEB-LOVELY. As you can see, everything that you need to know about this particular sound system you will find over here. And we also have an input cable. There you go. There's an input cable right over here. And this is the remote control that comes with this particular box. Now let's take a look at what are the other stuff in the box. These are the satellites. I'm going to take them out first before I show them to you. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. You have the user manual, remote control and input cable, and you have the subwoofer and 4 satellites. I should mention one thing, that the remote control does not come with batteries. You will need to buy them separately. This operates on 2 AAA batteries. And these are so this is the speaker system. These are the 4.1 speakers, this 4.1 satellites. You'll notice this has a unique glossy black finish at the front and a matte black finish at the back. Not only that, there's an option to mount them on a wall. So these are your satellites. Let me show you the subwoofer. So this is what the subwoofer looks like. Once again, this too has a glossy black finish at the front side. This is the volume button right over here. There's a USB-A port. This is the mode button. This is what you use to change to switch between different modes like aux mode, FM mode, or even Bluetooth mode. And these are the track changes right over here. There is also a knob for controlling the bass of this particular speaker. The rest of the speaker has this wooden surface, which is great, and there's also, so this is where the subwoofer is actually mounted. There you can see, this is where the subwoofer is actually, this is a side mounted subwoofer right over here. At the back you have the audio input and output ports along with a FM antenna. There you can see, this is the FM antenna. This is of course the power button and the power cable that comes attached. I'm going to plug it to a power source and give you a small demonstration of what this particular speaker system sounds like. Setting it up is actually pretty easy. You just have to connect the satellites to the output ports right over here, and it's connected to a power source. I'll do just that. Connected the subwoofer to a power output right over here, and now I'm going to turn it on. So when I switched it on, it started with the radio mode, but now when I pressed the mode button over here, it took me to Bluetooth. As you can see, there's Bluetooth written right over here. Excuse me, there you go. Here you can see Bluetooth written right over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my smartphone, turn on Bluetooth and try to pair this particular device. There you go, focus is right there. Turning on Bluetooth. Okay, I got this option right over here. It's ZEB-LOVELY. As you can see, it's written right over here, ZEB-LOVELY. It took a while to appear, in fact. I'm going to click on ZEB-LOVELY. Now I'm going to click on pair. You heard that tone. This basically means that we are now paired. It's saying it's active right now. I'm just going to play some music and give an example of what the music is going to sound like. There you heard that. It sounds pretty great. And this is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics ZEB-LOVELY 4.1 speakers. Thank you for watching.